Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have YogaClub here. I have a bunch of YogaClub here. I sat down and chatted with them, was like, hey, I want to continue to share about your box because I freaking love it, but I want to give my people more. So I have like a bunch of stuff to share with you, which is really, really exciting. And of course I'm wearing YogaClub. I have on a mix and match. This is not like an outfit because I think I have the leopard print bra underneath. I have on all my favorite, most comfy outfit pieces to make my own YogaClub outfit. YogaClub is an athleisure wear subscription box that sends sports bras, tops, and yoga pants. You decide how frequently you want to get it. For me, bi-monthly is phenomenal. Every other month I get a box. But you can do monthly, you can do quarterly, or you can just do on demand and get a box when you want one. It is $79.99 plus shipping per box, and they ship only to the US. If you use Pink Free, you get a free legging in your first box, and you get 3 items. So you get a top, you get a sports bra, and you get pants, a full outfit for 80 bucks. And it is good quality, great brand stuff. I love me some Target. This is much better quality than Target. That stuff I love for a little bit, then it falls apart. I am still wearing YogaClub stuff from my subscription back in 2016, if that tells you anything about the quality. Both of these have outfits in them, but I want to explain this little setup because this is one of the questions you guys have asked me. When you subscribe for the first time to YogaClub, I believe how it works is you get the box, like this welcome box, a full presentation. But in a striving of being more eco-friendly and easier to recycle, once you are an established member, you will start getting your clothing in this bag. This bag is made out of plant material like corn. You throw it in your compost when you are done with it, and voila. So I'm a big fan of this bag and then moving this direction. I know the box is fine, but it just creates so much recycling just to have a little fun with the box. So that explains why you see the differences in these 2 items in your own mailbox and on here. But in each box, you get 3 items with an average value of 160 or more. You can earn Lotus Bucks through their Lotus program, which is their rewards program for placing your orders, for reviewing your orders, and engaging in different ways. Then you can turn around and use the Lotus Bucks to go shopping with, either in the add-on shop or with your boxes here. Love a good rewards program. They have a really, really great style quiz. It really helps you lean in. You can put on there, like my sister put on there, do not send color. Send black, white, and gray. That's her favorite. Me, I'm like, send all the colors and all the prints and all the things, and then they curate your box based on that. What you're seeing here are some upcoming looks. So if you like one of the looks I show you here, you will be able to go online and get your hands on these. That was one of the biggest things I wanted them to do, is to give me product that is still available in the shop. So let's start playing with some of this. Let's go with this bag first. Oh, this one's cute. This one is gonna appeal to both types of people, color lovers, color seekers, and non-color seekers. Check out these pants. Can y'all see the pattern on these? I love the pattern on these. Half of it's matte, half of it's shiny. I wouldn't call it camo, but it's a little bit camo inspired. Super great. These are by Whispers. The Motion Legging Black Camo. I wear a size small, if that helps you any. These have a retail value of $92. Yikes! We didn't even pay that for the box. So here are the leggings. And this is the matching sports bra. One of the things I love about YogaClub is they do not send the same style of sports bra over and over and over. They have a very large myriad of different types of sports bra. So like the one I'm wearing right now is like a more traditional sports bra. It does have a thicker band here. It has an adjustable strap. Actually, like if you look, it has multiple straps. So like it's all crisscrossy and fun. Well, you see this one here, this one actually fits more like a shirt, like a top. And I'm actually totally, if you are confident, wear this with a high-waisted jean and a sport coat over the top. That would be so cute in like a totally fashion way. Brain's making outfits. So love this. And then the top for this one is one of my favorite colors. It's like this top here. Oh, the retail value on the sports bra is $58. And then this top here is a beautiful green. very soft. Just, it looks like the top, like the cut similar to the one I'm wearing now. And then it has some crisscrossing in the back. And this has a retail value of $60. The Tally Tank and Teal by these people. All right. There has been a lot of dispute over how you say this name. V-active, Vi-active, and then there was something else that somebody put up. So we're just gonna hold this up, and this is the person who made this. So this is a great example of an outfit you could expect in your box. And I mean, I think it's pretty clear to see that this is way over the value that we paid for the box. This is like great brands, thick quality materials, actually chic curated designs to the prints for like 80 bucks. I was paying way more than that before I found YogaClub. But let me show you a few more options. I really want you to be able to kind of see what they send, because I mean, it is still $80 that you're spending. So if you guys invest in this, I really want you to kind of know that you're investing in something that you absolutely love. So in here, we have the Vi-active Layla legging in charcoal. And so this one's a much more, once again, plain, calm, under control pattern. Pockets. It has pockets. What is that? The real song? Both sides actually have pockets. Love, love, love these. Also on their leggings, they send a myriad of lengths. So like ultra long, like really long ones, ankle ones, 3/4 crop. So you do get a bunch of variety in the length of your leggings. Those were by Whispers. This is the V-active brand. So they do mix and match your brands. Look at the ones I'm wearing right now. They're like super wild, leopard print, purple. They match the sports bra. Super comfy, super, super comfy. And then in here we have a Sunny bra in soft black, retail value $58. Made with the super soft Lycra material. Look at the back of this one. Isn't that super pretty? I love it. I love it. And this one obviously is much more of a traditional sports bra. I didn't have that really thick band at the bottom. And then check out this top. This has a super flowy base. It actually cinches on the sides at the bottom. This is the side tie tank in gray, retail value $60. In the back is a racerback. But I like this cut a lot. I like racerback cut a lot, a lot. And so here's this guy. Once again, everything here is super, super soft. I love how soft everything is. I actually am trying to think if I've ever gotten anything that isn't soft. I've even gotten hoodies, like big oversized hoodies from them, and they were super soft. Oh my gosh, look at this sports bra. It's the V-active brand. This is the Sharon bra in charcoal. Look at the back. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This one actually has a thicker lining in the cup here compared to these other two. This one has a thinner lining. I like the thicker lining. I've had a couple babies, so I like to have that hook up. This bra is a $58 sports bra. That is gorgeous. It matches this pant superbly. Can you guys see that? That is super great. Oh, see, here's a great example of, they also have a lot of really fun prints. I have like a Starry Night print. I have like so many of these crazy psychedelic prints, and I personally love them. This is the Soul and Mane Cora full legging in Star Juice. Retail value $88. I do have a lot of the Soul and Mane, and most of my Soul and Mane have crazy prints. Some of my Soul and Mane leggings, oh man, if I can find photos, I'm gonna pull them, are legit from 2015 and 2016, and I still wear them. Today I am excited to unbox my very first YogaClub. This is my very first time. Hopped online, filled out the profile that they requested, and they take care of the rest. You don't have to do anything, super easy. It's like your Stitch Fix for yoga clothing. And for some of us, yoga clothing is our everyday clothing. Mom life. These are a much thinner legging. Like, these leggings are definitely thicker. Both of these are. The Soul and Mane are really thin, so you can wear them during summer. It is wonderful. So here is this guy. Oh, love that. And then an example, oh, here we go. Full-on long sleeve shirt. This is extremely soft. Not a little bit soft. This is like wild, crazy soft. And it still has good stretch. Like you really can wear it in an athletic manner. Oh, so cute. It's actually longer in the back than it is in the front. Yay for booty coverage. Big fan of booty coverage. This is the Molly sweatshirt in leopard, retail value $95. So look at this. Okay, let me separate these. So this is an outfit. So you have these gorgeous leggings right here, right? Dun, da, da, da. Beautiful leggings, beautiful coordinating sports bra that has the white stripe in the back with the gorgeous color coordinating leopard top that goes with it. All three of these for $80. Like I am just such a Kool-Aid drinker. I am such a fan of this brand. So then this one, you have your wild crazy leggings. These are so much fun. Your more neutral sports bra to like calm things down. However, the back of it is like a party in and of itself. And then your coordinating top. Once again, look at these colors together. Super fabulous. It's a complete look every single time. So if you have not already subscribed for YogaClub, go use my coupon code PINKFREE because you're gonna get a free pair of leggings in your first box. If you have any questions about YogaClub, ask me. I have been a member for forever and I love their stuff. And I often, especially like I told you this one, hold up, where'd it go? This one sports bra, I wanna pair this with a real fashion outfit. And then this one is a really great example of something that I would totally wear to wine time with my girlfriends, or we meet for margaritas every once in a while at 2:30 around the corner. This is a perfect margarita drinking outfit. And then this is, I wear these a lot in the garden. I wear these a lot when I'm working out in the yard. So I know it's called YogaClub, but it's also like wine drinking club and hang out with your girlfriends club and work in the yard club because these clothes can do a lot. Okay, you guys, we're doing a lot of clothing in the month of March and even into April. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I am fighting for really, really good coupon codes like this one that gives you free items. I am fighting to get new boxes in because I want to really be able to show you guys a myriad of different types of clothing subscription boxes out there, because it is pretty life-changing to not have to drive up to malls, run around in malls and deal with peoples, wait in lines, have to do returns. It is very liberating. It is very much a time saver. And in honesty, it is a money saver as well when you partner with the right subscription boxes. So if you have not already, subscribe to the channel so that you cannot miss those. Join our Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. If you want to hang out and chat, you can ask very personal questions in there. We've been talking about feminine products, we've been talking about cute underwear subscriptions, we've been talking about great lingerie, and we've even been talking about great athleisure wear and yoga clothes in that group. So we would love to have you join us over there. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and we'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.